Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the 8 safest SUVs for seniors to drive in 2025. Safety, comfort, and reliability are crucial when it comes to choosing the right SUV, especially for senior drivers. In this list, we'll explore vehicles that excel in safety features, ergonomic interiors, and overall performance, making them ideal choices for senior citizens. Let's dive in. Number 1. Subaru Outback. The 2025 Subaru Outback is a standout in the midsize SUV category, known for its exceptional safety and reliability. Starting at $29,000, the Outback features a rugged yet refined exterior with raised roof rails and LED headlights for enhanced visibility. Inside, the cabin is spacious and designed for comfort, with supportive seats and a user-friendly 11.6-inch touchscreen. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology comes standard, offering advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, it delivers 182 horsepower and achieves an impressive 33 mph on the highway. For seniors seeking a versatile and safe ride, the Outback is an excellent choice. Number 2. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 continues to set the bar for luxury and safety in 2025. Priced from $57,000, this premium SUV boasts a sleek, Scandinavian-inspired exterior with elegant LED lighting and a distinctive front grille. The interior offers a serene environment with high-quality materials, ergonomic seats, and a large vertical touchscreen that's intuitive to use. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident with its standard pilot assist system, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane centering. The XC90's plug-in hybrid variant offers 455 horsepower and an all-electric range of up to 35 miles, blending power and efficiency. For seniors who value luxury and advanced safety, the XC90 is hard to beat. Number 3. Tesla Model Y. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is a tech-savvy, all-electric SUV with an emphasis on safety and innovation. With a starting price of $52,000, the Model Y features a sleek, minimalist design and aerodynamic styling. Inside, the cabin offers a modern aesthetic with a 15-inch touchscreen that controls nearly all vehicle functions. Tesla's autopilot system, including traffic-aware cruise control and automatic emergency braking, comes standard. The long-range model delivers up to 330 miles of range and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. For seniors seeking cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly performance, the Model Y is a forward-thinking option. Number 4. Ford Explorer. The 2025 Ford Explorer combines practicality, performance, and safety, making it a solid choice for senior drivers. Starting at $37,000, the Explorer features a bold and rugged exterior with LED headlights and a wide grille. The spacious interior is designed for comfort, with easy-to-access controls and supportive seating for up to 7 passengers. Standard safety features include Ford Co-Pilot 360, which offers blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a rearview camera. Under the hood, the 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine delivers 300 horsepower and a smooth driving experience. With its blend of safety and versatility, the Explorer is a reliable companion for senior drivers. Number 5. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a trusted name in the compact SUV segment, known for its reliability and user-friendly design. Starting at $30,500, the CR-V features a modern and aerodynamic exterior with LED headlights and a redesigned grille. The interior offers a spacious cabin with adjustable seats, a 9-inch touchscreen, and Honda's intuitive infotainment system. Standard Honda sensing safety technologies include collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, it produces 190 horsepower and delivers up to 34 mph on the highway. The CR-V's combination of efficiency, comfort, and safety makes it a top pick for seniors. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate the compact SUV market with its dependability and safety. Priced from $28,500, the RAV4 sports a bold design with sharp lines and a striking front grille. Inside, the cabin is both functional and comfortable, featuring a 10.5-inch touchscreen and ample legroom. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus comes standard, offering features like lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and pedestrian detection. The hybrid variant delivers 219 horsepower and an impressive 40 of combined fuel efficiency. For seniors who prioritize reliability and advanced safety features, the RAV4 is a smart and stylish choice. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that blends sporty performance with top-notch safety features. Starting at $28,800, the CX-5 boasts a sleek and elegant exterior with signature LED headlights and a sophisticated grille design. The interior offers a premium feel with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and an intuitive 10.25-inch infotainment system. Mazda's iActive Sense safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and smart brake support. The 2.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 227 horsepower, providing a smooth and responsive ride. For seniors who appreciate a mix of style, performance, and safety, the CX-5 is a compelling option. Number 8. Subaru Forester. Rounding out the list is the 2025 Subaru Forester, a compact SUV renowned for its safety and practicality. Starting at $26,500, the Forester features a rugged yet refined exterior with high ground clearance and LED steering responsive headlights. The interior is designed for ease of use, with large, easy-to-read controls and supportive seating. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology comes standard, providing features like pre-collision braking and lane-keeping assist. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, the Forester delivers 182 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency at 33 mph on the highway. For seniors seeking a reliable and safe ride, the Forester is a dependable choice. And that wraps up our list of the 8 safest SUVs for seniors to drive in 2025. Each of these vehicles excels in safety, comfort, and reliability, ensuring peace of mind for senior drivers. Whether you prioritize advanced safety features, luxurious interiors, or eco-friendly performance, there's an option here for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Safe driving!